name is Lori Forsyth. I'm one of the registered nurses in the Dell Children's Emergency Room. One of the problems that we have is that our infant scale that we weigh our babies on is very hard. It's made out of a hard plastic, and we only put one piece of tray paper, or are supposed to only put one piece of tray paper on the scale for each baby. And that's very uncomfortable for the babies. They usually cry when we put them on the scale. The parents get upset. We feel stressed trying to weigh a baby that's crying and is obviously in distress. So what I proposed is a simple pad that would fit the size of the scale, that we could then put one piece of scale paper on the pad and put our little baby on that. And then after we're done weighing the baby and doing whatever procedure we need to, whether or not it's checking a temperature, checking heart rate, things like that, we would then remove our little baby, give him back to the mom, take her one piece of tray paper off, throw that away, and can easily wipe this pad clean with a cleaning wipe. And this would be much better than what we're doing presently, because we don't usually use just one piece of scale paper. We usually use 3 or 4 or 5 trying to pad the scale, or sometimes we use a checks and a couple pieces of scale paper, or sometimes we try things like putting on a sheet or a blanket to try and pad the scale. By using extra scale paper, we're doing something that isn't very good for the environment, because then that needs to be thrown away and it's using the resource of paper unwisely. It also adds to the cost for the hospital. Using the blankets and the sheets isn't a very good option either, because those then need to be laundered, and that also adds to the unit costs and to the hospital costs. So this would probably save our hospital about half the price of what we're spending in scale paper presently, and would be a minimum first-time investment to initially buy the pads, and then after that they should last for a few years at least. So again, I think that this infant scale pad would be a very clean, cost-effective, and comfortable option for our littlest patients here at Dell Children's. Thank you.